Today we have the 2017 Volkswagen Touareg. This vehicle has done just under 77,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, as well as voice control, and on the right we have automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access our radio, media, smartphone integration and climate control. To the right we have navigation, traffic reports, our vehicle settings and setup. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a 360 camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior and get a good view of our panoramic roof.